Hi everyone, today we are going to see MKDIR command in Linux operating system. So first of all, let's know what MKDIR do. MKDIR stands for make directory. So I am typing here ls. There is no directory of files over here. Let's create directory by MKDIR. Typing here home, that directory name, pressing enter. Typing ls. So the directory get created. If I want to create the multiple directories via following path, so I am doing MKDIR -p and doing like zip/home/bird. Enter. So right now you can see I am typing a tree. So there is a path zip home bird which is mentioned over here. So let's go to that path zip that home then bird. So this is how you can create multiple directory by using the path, and this is how MKDIR work. Thank you so much.